Hey, what's going on, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Algo affiliates, right? And maybe you're wondering, is this legitimate? Can you make money using Algo affiliates? What is this all about? Or are there better ways to make money online, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are big wastes of time. So let's find out what Algo affiliates is about. Is this a good way for you to make money online, right? Or are there better options out there, okay? Now, Algo Affiliates is actually an affiliate network. They are a leading performance marketing affiliate network, and you can basically come here and market a whole bunch of different affiliate products in different verticals, different industries, all right? So what you would do is you would basically come here to publishers, all right? Because if you wanted to become an affiliate, you would basically be a publisher, right? And you would scroll down and you would basically look for the place to sign up, and I'll show you where to do that in a second. But let's just cover the different industries that Algo Affiliates covers, which is very important, all right? So if you're interested in promoting products in the home improvement, insurance, finance, dating, Nutra, loans, real estate, sweepstakes, diet, weight loss, e-commerce, education, health and beauty, download, software, pets, Medicare surveys, travel, vouchers, coupons, banking, and business opportunities, which is actually a lot. They cover a lot of different verticals, right? They've got 1,500 offers. Then you can check out Algo affiliates, which is pretty cool. Okay, now they basically have two types of products. They have CPA, which stands for cost per acquisition, and they have CPL, that stands for cost per lead. Okay, so cost per acquisition is when you get your cold lead to do a specific action. So maybe you get them to buy a product, or you get them to start a trial where they have to put down their credit card. Like maybe they go to a dating website, right? And in the dating website, it requires them to actually put their credit card down to start becoming a customer. They will pay you a certain amount of money based on that. Okay, it could be $100 commission, it could be $80 commission, it could be $200 commission. It just depends on what that specific offer is. That's CPA. CPL is cost per lead. That means that some of these offers require you to generate leads for them. So maybe there's a real estate opportunity, right? And as long as you generate them a lead, they might pay you, say, $4, or they might pay you $8 for every single lead that you generate. So a lead is somebody that fills up a form, okay? Their full name, their username, their email address, their address, that kind of thing, and that constitutes as a lead. So Algo Affiliates has CPA and CPL offers in all of these different industries, which is pretty cool, okay? Now, if you want to sign up, just scroll all the way down, and it says join now. Click on join now, and you can register right here. They just need your name, your address, your region, your country, and your city, and then you go to the next step, right? And then you need your contact information, your email address, and then they'll get back in touch with you, all right? Now let's check out what some of the offers actually look like, all right? So they kind of look like this, okay? They've got all sorts of different offers: Bitcoin cycles, Crypto Genius, Crypto Hopper Pro, right? Crypto Bank, and they also have offers for specific regions, right? The Arabic region, Turkish, right? Spanish. These are just an example, right? Portuguese. And these offers pay a lot: $600, $600, $600. Now, they're not all going to pay $600, right? But these ones probably require you to actually get someone to put down some money on a specific deal. Okay, so if they go through the offer, they have to put down their credit card information, and then you get potentially paid out a $600 commission, which is pretty cool, right? But this is just for these crypto deals, right? They're not all going to be like that, if that makes sense, okay? You can see here, so they've got a few different ones here. They've got some casino gambling ones, right? In different parts of the world, the UK, Mexico, Great Britain, right? They've got all sorts of different ones, but some of the payouts are quite high. Not all of them are going to be paid, this high. This is just an example right here, okay? And then if you want to get your link, you would basically log in, get your actual link for the specific offer, and then you would promote them. And that's pretty much it. It's very, very simple. Now, the cool thing about Algo Affiliates is that they've got a lot of verticals, okay? So they cover, tons of verticals right here. But the thing about something like this you have to understand is this is not necessarily for beginners. These Algo affiliates are for people that already understand affiliate marketing, people that already have some sort of list. So you have to have either, maybe if you want to go after the finance industry, or you want to promote a finance offer, you already have to have a following in finance. That means you either have to have a big email list that are interested in finance offers, or maybe you are an influencer that has a big TikTok channel, a big Instagram channel where you're talking about finance, right? So then it's very easy because you can just do a quick video and be like, hey guys, I've got a great finance offer. If you're located in Great Britain, you want to check it out, click the link below. This is going to help you with your credit score or something like that, right? So then it's very easy because you already have that following. But if you're an absolute beginner and you're just getting started, you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, you've got no experience, stick around because I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can still generate a lot of income. But with this specific review right here, Algo Affiliates, this is more for people that already have some sort of following or have experience in affiliate marketing. Then it's very easy. It's a good, I would say, affiliate network. They've got 1,500 offers. You can come here, just pick any offer. Make sure you go through the details of that offer because every offer pays slightly different types of commissions, and then you can just plug into whichever vertical that you're in right now. Okay, so that's what I would say Algo Affiliates is for. It's a great, affiliate network. Lots of different types of offers if you're interested in CPA or CPL. All right, but if you're here watching this video right now and you're a beginner, you've never made money online, you're just getting started right now, you're like, Aaron, how do I make money with Algo Affiliates, right? Or how do I make money with affiliate marketing? Or how do I make money in general? Now on this channel, I've reviewed so many different strategies. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them though a big waste of time, right? But out of all the really good strategies, I've distilled it into one single strategy that I think that a beginner, someone who has never made money online before, if you have no tech skills, you have the best chance of going from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% online. And if you would like to check that out, click the link below and I'll share with you a free masterclass that shows you how to do this step by step. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Algo Affiliates. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.